It took me to the next clip. Then Command V, paste, and it's right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click back on the video, somewhere in the video, and I'm going to press my right arrow. And Command V, click, right arrow. Command V, click, right arrow. Okay, you guys get the point. Now watch how fast I'm going to go. Command V, click, right arrow. Command V, click, right arrow. Command V, click, right arrow. Okay, I'm going to do it a few more times, so I want you guys to get it. Command V, that's the video, click, right arrow. Command V, click, right arrow. Now, I'm just going to be doing this in the background while I'm kind of talking to you, and I just want to explain to you what you're doing. You are now adding your watermark to 50 videos. To 50 videos. That's what you're doing. You're adding it. There's Kobe, right? You're adding it. Boom. We're adding it, and then we're clicking on the video, and then we're going to the next one. We're adding it. We're clicking on the video. Now, I'm not kidding. I'm going to do this 50 times. I think the process takes about 2 minutes to be able to do this.